What's up everyone, welcome to 2021. I'm Andrew, I'm the industrial designer at Lone Rider, and if you're new here we talk about product development, and I design it and get feedback from you. Your input gets put back into the product, and it's like a nice cycle of product development and touching base with the community and making sure that we're making cool products, and maybe you've got heaps of ideas, so I just take those ideas and we produce your ideas into actual products. So skip to this number here if you want to see the unboxing and of the headlight guard, the brand new headlight guard. This one here, as you see on the screen, that's what it looks like. So skip to that if you want to see that. And it's 2021. This is the first video for this year. We had a bit of a crazy year last year. You might notice the background's a bit different. I'm not in New Zealand anymore. I left COVID-free New Zealand and I flew to the heart of the pandemic right now, and I'll be coming to you from Belgium for the next couple of months, maybe into summer, and then we'll change it up a bit and travel to another part of the world. But for now, this is the video 1 of 2021, and 2020 was a bit of a crazy year, just some housekeeping. So we had a pretty crazy end of the year. We got overwhelmed a bit for Black Friday, and our systems did take a lot of heat, they did break, and we thank you for your support. Definitely very cool, and we struggled to sort our side of the stuff out. It's actually okay now. We've shipped everything out, and we had a pretty crazy Black Friday 2020, and it was really unexpected. We just blew our minds. The support that we got from riders, the gear was in hot demand, and a lot of it sold out. A lot of the gear sold out. So I've been basically for the last month trying to get new product in. I've been dealing with the manufacturers and quality control guys to make sure that we get that high quality that we normally get. Good year for me, for sure. And hopefully it was for you. 2020, it was a bit of a crazy year, huh? This year we're going to produce way more products. I'm thinking about looking into doing a tank bag first. I've got backpacks I'm looking into. They're quite labour intensive, quite a lot of work to get them really nice. So we'll do a few hard products for protection products for bikes and stuff like this. But that's going to be 2020. We're going to smash out at least 15 to 20 products. So stick around, and I really would like your feedback on these different products. What's worked for you in the past? If you've destroyed some products or destroyed something in the past and you think their quality was not good, or you think they could have done something better, then I'd love to know, because then we can do it better. Let's just jump into the quick video and the unboxing video, and we'll show you the brand new headlight guard kit that came in the mail yesterday. What's up everybody? Today we're going to have a look at the new Headlight Guard X from Lone Rider. This is an unboxing, simple unboxing. We're just going to open it and have a look inside, see what's going on. I'm the designer of this, I'm the manufacturer and designer, so we'll go through it. I've just received this, I haven't opened it. I haven't actually seen one before, so I've designed it and samples and all that kind of stuff, but this is a production copy, so that means that it comes off the factory line, and it was delivered to me. We've changed the box, still got a bit of damage here, and we'll probably I like using these grey boxes because it's a bit more eco-friendly without all the printing, all the dyes and stuff like this, but I might have a look at that, changing that in the future. So that's the box, that's what you'll get. You'll get another packaging around that, of course, in a poly mailer, and we can open it up. So the first thing you'll see is 2 arms and screws, spare screws. So the 2 arms, these are going to be left and right, and they're attached to your bike, so that's good. We've got a box of screws, they're in the box so they don't burst and rattle around and scratch anything. Just remove the divider packaging. I've got install instructions, how to install it. It's in 4 different languages, and this is an older install instructions. I need to update them. I will update them, but essentially it's the same thing. You've got the previous HG kit, headlight guard kit design, but it's essentially the same thing. We've just updated the grille on the front for the new LED headlight. So that's the install instructions. Get a small gift pack. You got 3 stickers, a keychain and a buff, which is pretty cool. You'll get a spare clear polycarbonate lens. That'll come, so you can swap that out if you want, because it comes pre-installed with the orange headlight guard. This is the main unit. So it comes unpacked, and there it is there. It comes pre-installed with the orange safety polycarbonate lens, and then it's all assembled for you. So basically all you have to do is remove the padding, remove the box, it's nicely engineered in there, remove the 2 parts, and you're good to go. So we can throw that away, and then we got this part here. So that's the grill part of it. It's all pre-installed and ready to go. It's got all the parts you need, and then that's the polycarbonate backing clear part. That's already assembled and good to go. So basically what you need to do, yeah, that's basically the unboxing. That's everything you'll get that you need to install on your bike. So essentially, to install it on the bike, I'll show you that quickly as well. If you open up these left and right hand packaging, you'll get a bracket, and this goes on the motorcycle. It's all pre-installed with all the little nuts and screws already done for you, so you just don't need to think about it. You can just put it on. It'll come on the box. It comes with a M5 16 millimeter screw here that goes in here. You can use the OEM one as well, that's on the bike. And at the bottom, also on the box, is M8, and you just lay the nut here. You lay the nut here, and you can screw it from underneath. Then you just have to release this M5 and attach it here on both sides, so that fits in there quite nicely. Basically just remove that lock nut or nylock and the washer, and put this on, and then put the nylock and washer back on. You're good to go. And then all you have to do is add these, the clear first when it's on the bike, and then add this, tighten it up, and then tighten up these 2 points here, and then you're good to go. So a very simple installation. We spend a lot of time making sure that this is all done for you, so you don't have to mess around and get hundreds of parts. So yeah, that's the unboxing for the brand new HGX. Stainless steel, powder coated, just another coat of protection, polycarbonate, so it's not going to crack like cheap acrylics, and then that's good to go. You can order it online today, and we've finished production, so it'll be shipping very shortly. So that was it. That was the headlight guard unboxing video, and hope you enjoyed it. That was just a little taste. You can order them now. They're on the website for sale. We have just finished the production. Literally just finished the quality control and production. So we're going to ship those to our warehouses, and then from there we will ship them out to you. So a bit of work to get it to market now, but yeah, hope you enjoy it, and yeah, catch you next week.